This is Super 100's 7th year in a row out at the Muscle Car Masters, and it's been a little bit rainy. It's the first time I think it's rained since we've been here. But we've got a lovely story coming up today, and the story about, well, we're going to meet Tony. And Tony's the aftermath of the A9X when I got into all this mess back in the 70s, really, late 70s, when the A9X got on the road. And it's in good hands today, and we're going to cut across and have a good talk and have a good look around the circuit from the inside perspective of an A9X.
Okay, indeed. So Heritage Touring Cars is a category that's made up of fantastic owners. Tony Sawford's one of those great owners, one of those great competitors, helps out everyone in the category. Last year we inaugurated the Richards Clubman Trophy, and that's awarded each year to someone who goes above and beyond to help everyone out with Heritage Touring Cars. So Tony, great honour to present that to you this year.
Thanks, Ed.
Congratulations, and thank you for all your hard work.
No worries, anytime.
Excellent.
Been a pleasure.
So why do you do it?
Oh, look, I have an affinity with the Toranas, the A9Xs specifically. I reckon they're a great car. They're a great era of car racing too, the 70s and the early 80s. And just get a kick out of it. And all the guys are a great bunch of blokes. Do anything to help any of the guys, even the guys to drive Fords.
But not often.
No, not often.
Not as much as the Holden guys.
Trying to impede their progress rather than help them. But yeah, no, they're all a great bunch of blokes, and everybody helps everyone. I just happen to be lucky enough to be awarded this trophy. I'm really honoured.
And driving a car that Gricey drove once, what do you think?
Oh, look, I just tip my hat to them all. They're not an easy car to drive, even though like the Commodore's a little bit easier, but still not easy cars to drive fast. And Gricey did it so tough. I mean, he had no money with the team and was always battling. I mean, the HDTs and Brocs, they had all the money to just hose at the cars and do as much as they wanted to. They had all the latest and greatest parts, whereas poor old Gricey was doing it tough, and he managed to do really well at it.
And you ended up in old Elvis.
That's correct. So I've got the STP car, so a little bit later in Gricey's career, and it's fantastic having Alan come along. He gives us a great amount of advice. He pops in, sees how we're going in his old cars. Always happy to share a tip or two, get us an extra second or so on the track. So it's fantastic to be involved not only with the cars but the old drivers, the legends of Bathurst. And I recommend everyone comes and buys a Heritage Touring car, a Group C or Group A, come racing.
Yeah.
We're all good blokes, especially Tony.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
I'd like to just let you all in on a secret out there. These are two of the nicest guys you could meet at any motorsport event. Thanks so much, guys.
Come
Thanks
down and
very
see
much.
us sometime and say hello.
Phillip Island next year, hey? Talk to you soon.